Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange, Apple's boldest Pro Max yet. So let's open this and see what it looks like. And there it is, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. Look at that finish, it just looks stunning. It's vibrant, but it looks refined, typically what you would expect with Apple. And with that standout cosmic orange colour, it just looks like no iPhone before. You know you've got the brand new phone when you've got this iPhone. It's wrapped also in Apple's new aluminium unibody design with its ceramic shield too on the front and back. So that should improve scratch resistance as well. So now let's take this out and see what it feels like. So first impressions, this feels incredibly solid. Feels quite substantial. The dimensions are approximately 164 millimeters in terms of the length of this. The actual width is 78 millimeters and the actual thickness here is just under 9 millimeters. But what I actually like about this, just having it, taking it out the box, is it's an incredibly smooth finish. Rounded corners, you've got the cameras there, and it just feels incredibly substantial but balanced in the hand. Now here you have the new camera system on the back. This looks, extremely nice, but you'll notice also it is a bit protruding as well. But this camera system is significantly upgraded. So these are all 48 megapixel cameras on this phone. So it's a proper pro camera phone. So just taking this off, you have your 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen here as well. And so that should provide a nice bright display. So we'll do a separate video with some of the features in due course. Just flipping this to the back and just talking about these cameras again, you have the 48 megapixel cameras all the way through. So there's a main camera, an ultra wide, and also the telephoto. So this is going to be great for photos as well. And the optical zoom on this now goes 8 times. So that's a significant improvement on previous iPhones. The other thing with this iPhone is that you get a longer battery life as well. So it's now approximately 39 hours for watching videos, which is obviously great battery life there as well. So then looking just on the front side, in terms of the camera which you have on here, it's an 18 megapixel center stage front camera compared to the older version which only had 12 megapixels. And then just turning on to the actual buttons themselves, you've got the volume controls which are quite familiar. You've got the SIM socket as well, although these also come with eSIM functionality. You have the button that you can assign different features to. I normally have that on muting the ringer on that. At the bottom you've got the USB-C, which is quite common, and then you have the sort of touch control feature here, which is great for photos like on the old camera, for zooming in, zooming out and changing additional features during photography, and use it as a bit of a shutter press as well. And then also you have the power button as well. So it is a great feeling camera, a great feeling iPhone in your hand. It feels, as I say, very balanced, the right type of weight for such a product. So just finishing off on a couple of other aspects of this, and again I'll just show you the design as well. If you look on here, you have got this sort of lighter feature on here on the orange, but you do have the Apple logo which you can just about see in different lights. So it's a bit fainter on here, but if you have a look, it's a sort of a two-tone orange on the Cosmic Orange, but it does look good. The other thing that I just want to say is, as with Apple these days, they say it's environmental, but it just feels like they're cheaping out. So there's no actual charger, but you do get the USB-C cable in there. Now, if you are going to invest in a new charger, you may want to get a higher capacity one, because if you go with the higher capacity 40 watt adapter, you can get up to a 50% charge in 20 minutes. So that's the one you should be aiming for, just so you can charge it up. If you go with a 30 watts adapter, it charges up to 50% in 30 minutes. But you'll obviously have to pay a bit more to get that adapter if you haven't got one lying around. So that is just a quick unboxing of this iPhone 17 Pro Max. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.